If you're a music producer, you've probably heard of Ableton Live. But is it really the best DAW out there? Today we're diving into what makes this software tick and whether it lives up to the hype for both beginners and seasoned pros. Ableton Live is designed primarily for live performances and studio recordings, making it a favorite among electronic music producers. The interface is sleek and intuitive, especially the session view, which allows you to launch clips and loops on the fly. This feature is particularly appealing if you're into improvisation or want to experiment during live shows. However, while it shines in live settings, some users find the traditional arrangement view a bit less straightforward than other DAWs. The built-in instruments and effects are solid, though some users might feel they could benefit from more variety in sound libraries. The software targets a diverse audience from hobbyists to professionals, but I noticed that beginners might face a steeper learning curve due to its unique workflow. Overall, it feels like a powerful tool, but certain aspects could be clearer, especially for those new to digital audio workstations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Ableton Live is fantastic for real-time music creation. The clip launching feature is a game changer for live performances. It's also packed with high-quality built-in instruments that are great for synthesizing sounds. Plus, the community support and resources available online are excellent. On the flip side, some users report frustrations with the pricing model, as the standard and suite versions can get quite pricey. Additionally, while the learning curve is manageable, beginners might find it daunting compared to other DAWs. If you're looking for a more traditional linear workflow, you might want to explore alternatives. But for electronic music enthusiasts and live performers, Ableton Live can be a dream come true. In conclusion, Ableton Live is a powerful tool that excels in live performance and creative music production. It's worth considering if you're serious about electronic music or live shows. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a more straightforward DAW, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels trustworthy, but be ready for that learning curve.